Fun summer activities for families. Family time is very important. During the summer, you can expand your family time activities to the outdoors. Here are some ideas for fun things everyone can participate in when the weather turns warm. It's great to get outdoors and experience the fresh air and warm sun. All winter you have been inside enjoying time with your family. Since kids love to run about, consider finding family activities that can be done outside. Everyone will appreciate the chance not to be cooped up anymore. You may even discover something that your teenagers would like to do with their parents. If you're stuck for ideas, we can help you out. Keep reading to find out some activities you might not have thought of before. Fun family summer activities. 1. Head to the movies. Find a film that the crew can agree on. On a lazy Saturday afternoon, clear or rainy weather, head on out and have a laugh, a cry or a scream with those you love. 2. Go camping. Try to get away from it all by heading to the woods. There are several kid-friendly campgrounds that you can visit. If you don't want to rough it completely, you can visit places like KETO. Make reservations in advance because such places do fill up quickly in warm weather. Besides pitching a tent or renting a cabin, some sites include activities like hiking, canoeing, biking and more. 3. Spend a day at the pool. Water is cool and inviting. Round everyone up and head to the local pool at the park or in the community. Be sure that your children know the facts about water safety. And carry your sunscreen for swimming and sitting by the pool. 4. Head to the park. Get together with family and close friends for a few hours. Rent a shelter and have a cookout. Bring the frisbee or kickball for a friendly game. Some parks include other activities like boating, volleyball and fishing. 5. Weekend trips. There might not be enough time to take a week-long vacation, but weekend trips can be just as enjoyable. In fact, you might be able to take more 2-day trips if you use your weekends to your best advantage. Decide what types of places to visit and then map out the route and what you will do when you get there. The final thing to consider is the best time to head out on your adventure. 6. Learn a few things. Take a trip to a museum, zoo or even the library. Turn it into a teaching moment that makes learning entertaining. 7. Have fun in the neighborhood. Summer may be the perfect time to teach the kids how to ride a bike. You can ride around the neighborhood getting exercise and catching up with each other. Families that stick together learn more about each other. Use the summer months to enhance that time and create fond memories.